Your Honor, before we approve on second reading, binigyan namin ng authority yung small committee na palitan kung ano man yung inapprove on second reading.
Hindi, pero pag in-approve on second reading, yun na yun eh.
Yun po yung point ko ever since, Your Honor.
Ibig sabihin, pag sinabi ko yun na yun, from NEP all the way hanggang annexes, approved na yan. Lahat ng maliliit na project doon, approved na yan.
Your Honor, that was the basis of my questioning ever since.
Kaya nga natapos na yung period of amendments. Diba? The period of amendments, doon tayo mag-a-amend lahat ng mga line item. Pero after period of amendments, pag nag-vote na tayo second reading, tapos na yon. Correct? It's only for review. In 3-day rule, for review na lang yon.
Yes, Your Honor, tama po kayo. Kaya lang nga, only for the budget, nagkakaroon ng ganon. Yun nga po yung sinasabi ko, Your Honor. Parang binigyan mo ng blankong cheque, yung apat na tao, na sila yung bago nung inaprubahan ng plenaryo. So sabi ko nga po, Your Honor, paano naging mas powerful yung apat na tao kaysa doon sa inaprubahan ng plenaryo, Your Honor?
Pero para sa akin, yung pagtapos ng second reading, nag-a-amend pa, parang that's not the usual practice.